Go. Hey, stop it.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing? You little evil baby.
Here I go. Come on.
Stop putting pillows on me.
Rhea, what?
You focus. Ow.
Come on, chicken. Emily, you're such a chicken. Come on, fool. You don't know who you're dealing with. You're dealing with Jessica the Magnificent.
Yeah, I don't believe magnificent part.
Ah!
Tati, it's an imaginary Wii remote in her hand.
Okay, I got one more life, so I gotta keep that up.
You're gonna die.
Yeah, I know.
Right there, it would have been perfect.
I know, but that one didn't kill me. Come on, chicken. No. Who said I'm not broke? He said I was broke. Oh man. Okay, you gonna do it again?
Oh, yeah, I
I'm
know.
ready.
Do it again.
Oh yes, I'm blue.
I don't give a crap if you're blue.
I don't even know I was blue. I thought it was pink. Tisha. Yeah, got my gay face on, boy.
Your gay face?
It's in my
Game face?
Game
You sound like you
face.
said gay face, though.
I never said gay face.
Tati, Wii remote ready?
Let's begin. Let's begin, boy.
Guess you're gonna die.
Oh yeah, boy. Sure, I'm gonna die here.
Tati's commentary is just awesome.
I'm ready.
That's what makes this game.
I know. Come on now, let's see what you got, boy. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Got nothing on me.
They're like seizuring.
Yeah, no clue what they have to go through with me. Come on. Yeah, boy. That saved my life. Saved this last one.
High five.
No.
Oh, she did. Yay! You want some more?
Man, I'm good.
Oh yeah, she did it. Yeah.
Look at him. I'm beating other people.
Go over there. She's an ugly looking monkey looking thing. That's just a little tribal dance. Are you almost done?
Yep, probably. I have no clue, but I gotta get ready for this guy.
Screw you!
Exactly!
Tati, move away. Over there. Move. Tati, put it down. Tati, put it down.
Oh!
Yay, she finished.